Welcome back to part 33 of the Titanic build. Yes, box 3, bag 33, page 77, step 101. Wait, was that the one we did last time? Yeah, wait a minute. Take that back. We did 33 last time. This is, I believe, 34. Sorry. Let me queue up for part 34 then. Queuing up. Part 34. That's page 88, step 111. And I'm still got my, from last time, my eye protection, which you can't see, but oh well. Trust me on that. Yeah, and we start with 2 slanted gray pieces. And 4, looks like 4 tan blocks. Okay. The gray pieces go right inside the white ones, but we starting at the edge of our tile floor. So we're going to go there. And we're there. This goes right over the cantilever ones, which you just love. And that goes on there with a slant that way. Same idea on the side. Here we have an already deceptively small looking bag of parts. I don't see anything that's going to be overly tedious yet. I may be looking at it wrong, but there, we just added those. The tan row there. 112. Let me zoom this in a little bit. 4 dots in blue. 2 dots in gold. Mind the gap. 4 4 tan plates with connectors on the far ends. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, yeah, maybe I have you get a little closer to me. Hang on. That's more like the angle, isn't it? Yeah. 2 gray barrels, where are you? 2 of these roundy blue plates with the X in the middle. 2 red blocks. Boy, a lot of variety this step. 2 of these white L brackets. And 2 of these cheese graters. Which can only mean I'm building 2 of these, okay? Start with the rounded blue block, put a gold dot on one end. Put the tan plate on the rest of it. On the end with the gold dot, put the white bracket with the bracket side facing in. Okay. And that goes on there. And then the cheese grater on the side of the white bracket. Then blue dots on either end. So the blue dot on either end, yes. That's one. Do it again. Play it again, Sam. Oh no, you just lost your page. Yeah, you tap anywhere near the top of the screen, as you know, on an iOS device. It decides, oh, he wants to go to the top of the document. That covers the rest of it. And then the white eye bracket, the white L bracket, then the cheese grater. And a blue dot on either end. That's two of those. Okay. What are you showing me? Okay, you're showing me that the red block goes right where this, supported by those two cross beams on both sides. I'm stressing that so I don't have to play hide and seek, that the tan plate goes on the next. Also bridging that. And stressing that that are little cheese graters, which I'm sure are stairs. Use the blue and that'll bridge that using that blue as a guide, alignment guide. Again, one on each side. And then on the gray beam, one in, the next one in from each side gets a gray barrel. Okay, we're up to 113. Two white, what size white plates? These 6x2s. Two 6x2s in white. Looks like 6 4x4s in white. Four 3x2s in white. Two blue 4x2s. And two of these rounded 2x1 black plates. It looks like it's time to put down the next layer of deck plating. Okay, so let's just start with the bigger white one on the edge here. So it goes all the way out to the edge, yep. Not on the second connector. Then for interesting reasons, the blue one goes next. And then the small white one. As we work our way around the stairs we just added. And then three, the big ones. Leaves room for small on the back. Got a 3x2 here on the back. Oh, it didn't like there being there, did it? Okay. Tough shit. You're going there. I don't want to go there. Repeat on this side. The long, thin white one. Then the blue one. A small one around the stairway. Then 3 big ones. 3 square ones. Big squares. And a small one here on the edge. Wait a minute, so these two things. Sorry. Where do they go? That's the one that's already pictured. Oh. On the edges here. One on either side. One on this side. Sorry. 114. Now we start the deck. A bunch of tan pieces. 8 large tan pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 blue dots. 14 2x1 and tan. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 squares in tan. Hope you like tan this step. 10 squares with 2 connectors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4 more of these 4x1s with 2 edge connectors. Okay. 6 plain of the longer ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did a horrible job knowing that. 12 with 2 connectors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now let's get to work. But first, get some Gatorade will help get me in the mood. That's the frost. That's not bad. That's like a cherry flavor. Starting here on the edge. I use the square right away. Remember, that's nothing supporting this, to be gentle. Then a big one or slightly more supporting that. But still cantilevered off that, so again, be gentle. Okay, one with 2 connectors towards a 3 with 2 connectors. Goes all the way out and goes over the white cap on the end, okay. A plain 3-1. Go 3-1 with 2 connectors. Then the squares with 2 connectors towards the outside. 2 of those in a row. Two small ones that go right in back of those. Then I use a small one here and a small one crossways to go around the stairs, okay. Come on. Then I went with 2 connectors. Asking me to leave 2 blank here. Then I'm going to 4 by with 2 connectors. Asking me to put a blue dot on the end of that row. This will be the hardest one to go on because that's so small and tiny. I know people with other model kits are going, you call that tiny? How cute. Then we would repeat that. This is on the towards the outside. Small ones on the inside. We're gonna leave it something towards the middle exposed to this point. I don't take them all the way up. And then 1 with 2 connectors, go sideways that way. Then a 4 long. And that you're going to need. Once the other side differs, it doesn't. I need to find where that piece went. I know you counted out enough of them. You only used 2. There's 3 there. Does one go? What, going on a road trip somewhere? You see on? Oh, yeah. Decided. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Tough. What that means, a blue dot on the edge there. One of these. Come on. One more of those. Leave that one blank. 2 3s. Did I just break off? I just felt something break off. I see what broke off now. But where did it run? You know, I said pieces can have a way of running. Get back on where I told you to go. Thank you. And that makes the picture more evident because this goes, in fact I need those because this goes on top of that. And there's one side. Will it be a mirror? We'll see. Okay, square. Don't press down too hard on that edge, Dave, remember? The big piece. The two connectors. A plane. Two connectors. Square, two squares in a row. And to get around the stairs. There. Don't need you guys yet. Get back in here. Just go fly across the table, why not, guys? Stagger those. Go right and back to the stairs. Or ladder. It's a ship, so a ladder. No. I said no. You go here. Weren't you listening? Like, just like you go there. Come on. The dot goes there. Then you go here. And two of those go here. Back of those. Then another one of these. Another one of those. Dot on this one. Another one of, come on. Boy, you are hiding from me. You don't want to play at all, do you? Not really, sir, no. What if it does it? Only two, or there's an 8, so those 6 go, I should go back. Okay, but before I stop, you go here on the edge here. Should have used 14. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or wasn't 4 and I counted 4. Sa! So you guys can go back in your little pile. 115. 2 white plates. Well, that's interesting. Really? 2 of these white blocks. I'm still not sold on this step yet. The plate comes. Part that was unfinished. Those dots will help. Okay, that's why those dots are there. Now these right alongside it, and just one side is well supported on a big block, the other side is supported on a little barrel. I haven't showed you this in a while, so here's where we're at. $116. 2 more 2x1s. Now these 6 come back. Now it's their time to shine. 4 triples. 8 with the clips. 8 clippies. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. And how do these add to our little puzzle? Well, it's like on the outermost rows, we alternate. Clip. Be careful. Clip. 3 long. Clip. Get in there. 2 long. Clip. 3 long. And clip. Then the big ones go in the inner rows. I get our pattern. Back this time, clip, a triple, a clip, the double, clip, come on, clip yours. You go on one space. You should go. You'd be sailing into there. But I'm a steamship. Okay, you should be steaming in there. And clip. $117. A complex bit of work here. One large white cap. Just one. All I need, one. This one big, thick double window casing. Which, of course, means two shutters. Again in white. Two more gray barrels. This one gray block with edge connectors, 4x1. This one yellow plate, it's like a 6x1. And two triple tan caps. We have some sub-assembly direction. Start with the yellow plate. Center the gray block on top. Barrels on either end. And then the tan caps. Come on, cap me. Cap you. Then use the edge connector with the shutter openings to the top. Just connect the edge connector. The other picture, which should be down a little bit. Okay, so go for the other row. 4. Step 5 is put the shutters up. Snap the shutters in. And then use the white cap on this end. This thing, I think we used this last time as a skylight, and we'll use it this time as a skylight. And it mounts. Like that, looks like. 118. 2 of these sand 2x1s with side clips. Sand, that's a new color for us for a while. 2 L's in tan, all plates in tan. 4 2x1 L plates. 2 2x1 tan caps. And 2 cheese wedges in tan. I think we've done these with before. Take an L plate. Stack 2 of these on one branch. Then put the sand clip with the clip out that way on top of all that folderol. Then a cap on top of that. And then our cheese grater piece goes this way. And this whole assembly slides down and clips into this that goes around the stairway. Hopefully there should be a clip through to receive it. Hopefully there should be a clip to receive it. It's not feeling like it's one wants to clip in though. Well, there's a clip for it. Let's see it. There, I just need to do get a better viewpoint. We'll say put it that one. Always helps when you see what you're doing. Just straight down with it. Downstairs. Something straight down. Maybe a clip. There we go. Clipped right in. 119. 2 red cubes with a side clip. 2 L caps. 2 brown toilet paper holders. 4 white dowels. 2 tan 2x1s. 2 L plates in tan. 2 2x1 browns with a ridge. There's 1 gold dot left on that shelf, so that's probably spare since it gives me extras on the small bits. So you know what that means? We're coming up on the end of this section. Put the plate there. Then the ridged one. Then the toilet paper holder. Then here, the red cube, the other branch, and then cap it. Oh, there is a bridge for a clip. So on that fall hazard, they do a big one in the middle, but this one goes turn it that way, then that way, then that one. Come on, get on there. Then that one. And then the cube. Cube going on the opposite side. Plate it over. Let me cap it over. Insert that in this hole here. Snap. Between these 4 pegs, dowels. Put the Y edges towards the ends, but on the insides of the clip. Then we get that one. This clip will get these 2 clips. We'll get that one. Would go in the crack, wouldn't you? So you're not all the way. Just that shows there should be touching. Where did Dave go? Oh, remember? Big rig should be on the insides of the clips. Now they're touching. And so endeth part 34. The deck is coming along nicely. Again, part 34, we'll see you again. Part 35, we have, as usual, 1 extra bit to throw in our spare pieces bin. See you next time for part 35.